Standard 5th. Subject English. Topic Say yes or no. My English Book 5, page number 11. Complete the sentence in each box to make meaningful questions. Am I green? Am I fool? Am I cat? Are we going? Are we friends? Are we dolls? Are you mad? Are you crazy? Are you making? Is she parrot? Is she green? Is she cat? Is he doctor? Is he lion? Is he kite? Is it a mango? Is it owl? Is it dog? Are they your friends? Are they elephants? Are they ready? Have I got wheels? Have I got balloons? Have we got pencils? Have we got books? Have you got money? Have you got motor car? Has she got prize? Has he got pocket money? Has it got milk? Have they got pencils? Have they got books? Have they got money? Have they got motor car? Do I eat mice? Do we know? Do you have a book? Does she eat banana? Does he got the address? Does it happen? Do they walk slowly? Read aloud the words in each set. Birds. Parrot, owl, crow, duck, sparrow, crane. Animals. Squirrel, mouse, elephant, lion, cat, dog. Vehicles. Bus, motor car, auto rickshaw, motorbike, aeroplane, bicycle. Toys. Ball, balloon, top, doll, kite, tricycle. Let's see how these sentences are used in our daily life. Are you ready? Yes, I am ready. Can we fly? Yes, we can fly. Are you green? Yes, I am. Do you know? Am I sure? Can I speak? Can I answer? Is it right?